Would you believe by the formation of this low, we are able to know what would be the high coming after that, and also very much specific in how many days that would be coming up. And also after this high, we were able to know the low, that is the level which would be coming down to, right? So this was been precisely told by us. Let's say, for example, this low, what we see, we have received this somewhere around on 30th. That is 30th of, I'll just draw a line. So this low was there by 30th of September. 30th of September, we already got a low, right? And we were able to update that there would be a high coming to this part, which is somewhere around 18,887. And after that, a low somewhere around coming to 17,817, right? So this is how it was. Let me show you a video regarding that. So this is a video which is there of, so we have this video which was there on 9th of November. I'll just take you across through the video so that you will be able to know about the details. So I'll just zoom across this video, take you probably through some of the sessions, not all of them. So this is where we will be starting. Right. Right. And the same trade will be there for December. Why? Because we are getting a good entry. This point are there for 50% reversals are still generally considered as good. 50%. We can expect that the market should be at least going up for somewhere around 1.27 to 1.2. If I just draw, we can expect somewhere around at least the market going to 18,000. So here it was mentioned about 18,900 levels, and we went up to 18,888, just precise, because this was not the level which was being done very accurately. But yes, later on we found out that the level would be coming to that part exactly. Let's see further what we had to say on 9th of November. Should be expecting that the market should be going around this point. It goes to that top, but we should be expecting around around. So see this level of reversal which has come down to, that is precisely to somewhere around 17,800 level, right? So how is this that we had come down probably from this level, knowing about the level going to 18,900, and from there reversing back to 17,800? Because if we check out at this low, let me just take you back. Uh, so this low was somewhere around 17,000 levels. So from 17,000 it went up to 18,900 levels, and from 18,900 levels it did reverse back to 17,800 levels. So that is somewhere around to almost 1,000 points on the downward side, right? And same way it was there on the top end side, right? So how were we able to predict that? So this is only in talking in terms of the numbers which is there, let's say like the price. What about the time? So let's go for the time part also, where we were able to say exactly what the time would be. This is the time part. So that's why we are expecting that even if the market goes above maybe to 1.272 level or 1.6 level, it should be at least coming back for back testing. Not necessary, but if the market reverses, so probably this should be our level where we should be looking for the market to come down. Goes up, right? So if I'm going back about that, maybe probably by end of November, we can expect that the market should be at least at this level. Excuse me. So by end of November, we expected that the market should be going to that level. And if we see precisely, yes, our high which was there into the market, that so high was there of 18,887.6. So that is 18,888. And it came exactly on 1st of December. So we talked about end of November, but it came at a difference of one day, that is 1st of December, right? So we had known about this level, that is the first part, and we had also talked about this precise level coming to 17,817. So it has come down to 17,779 to be precise. But how were we be able to analyze this part? Let's study something which was all there again on the basis of WD Gann trading techniques. We'd like to tell you something very precise before we talk about the technique as such. Let's talk about some precise dates which were there and how did we come about to those dates, right? Now we'll talk about one more date, which is this 1st of July. Now let's try to see what happened on 1st of July if we are able to have some details. Let's say this is our group, and somewhere around on 1st of July. So we had updated regarding that on 1st of December, if I am not mistaken. Yes, we had done that on 1st of December. So this was, yes, 1st of July. So I'll just go to that date, right? So this is the chart. First of all, let me show you the date. This is 1st of July, timing 10:30. Yes, and this is the 15 minutes chart where there was a low. And if you see, yes, the level one which is there is 15,927.45, and we had a low, and it has exactly come down to the 50% level, right? So 50% level is something WD Gann has given a much more importance than the other levels. Very critical. We'll talk about that into the theory part, but we are just trying to understand the dates where we have precisely mentioned where this level should be coming down to and have they had come down to, right? So this is one of the parts where we talked about the market going up. So this was there on, first of all, 1st of July, and the levels were somewhere around 15,559. So let's assume uh, to be on 15,500 level, 15,500 or 15,550 level. And what we said over there is, bingo, we should see good upward movement now, right? And how much did the market go on the upside? So from this date, if you check out what exactly was the high after that, if I consider that precisely from this level, somewhere around 15,500 levels, if I check down to the high, this was exactly 2,500 points. So 2,500 points probably to a level somewhere around of, this date was 15th of September. 15th of September is the high that we got, and the high was 18,096.15. So that is roughly around 18,100 levels, right? So I'll again try to just draw across with this line. So this is the line that we have. Accordingly, we are just mentioning about the line so that we have the details also, right? And yes, we probably try to tap across through a reversal, which is there. So this is there on 28th. Sorry, not 20th. This is 28th of September again. So let's try to see something on 20th of September. So this is 20th of September. And yes, so probably we are again able to tap out with the reversal coming down from that part. So we expected exactly at the levels that we talked across as per the information that we had. Information is like, yes, the cycles that we try to find out from our part. And we expected that the market should be coming down. And if the check out from this part, yes, the reversals that we had talked about coming down to was exactly between the 50% levels again. So if I say probably this as the levels, I'm just taking roughly the levels, not very exact or accurate levels. or maybe just let me go to the precise level so that it will be easier for us to understand and calculate the levels. So it is 18096.15, 18096.15. So I'll take down the exact levels, and on the bottom side, this was 15183.4, 15183.4, right? And if I check out what the 50% reversal, yet it was coming to almost 16,640 levels. So let me probably draw a line over here just for the sake of ease, that yes, this is where the expected levels would be coming down to, right? And did we exactly expected this levels? Yes. So just try to understand about those parts. So this is where we across exactly did catch out with the reversals. And how much points did we get across? It was somewhere around roughly 1100 points, right? So where we did catch about that, and where did we think that this would be the exact levels to which it would be coming down to? So I'll show you across with that. So this is a chart which is there of 22nd September, right? And we talked about this levels. We had two lines from the high, that is 18091.55, to the low 15193, and we had drawn a line which is there around 16,642, and we had one more line which was there at the 50% level from the low, that is again the same level which is there, to the high, all-time high of 18,604.45. So we had two lines. One is this 50% level, the blue line, and the green line level, which is there of this 50% level. So we are expecting between 16,900 and 16,650. And we precisely got the levels which were just between this. So if we check down with the low was exactly coming to 16,750 between these two lines, right? So this is how we are able to catch out with the reversals, and how did we get across with the high. So let me show you that point also. I'll just try to take this probably on the right hand side. So this was 18,884, and it came down exactly on 1st of December. So let me show you across the chart which is there for 1st of December also. Because the day it was reversing, we did update. So this is our group, and this is 1st of July. We don't want to go to 1st of July. We just want to stay across till 1st of December. So let me show you that chart of 1st of December, because this was already been mentioned in the group. So this was the chart, and it exactly came down to that level. This was in the morning itself, right? So as soon as it came in, probably we just updated about that, right? So it was morning 9:19 that we did mention in the group. We said refer previous post on 26th of September, after the market taking a support at 50% level from 17 June low to 15,184 to 17 September high of 18,096. The market took an approx 50% reversal up to 16,747, now reaching to a target of 1.27 to level of 18,888. So we are pretty sure it would be coming to that level, as we said, with the time as well as the price, which is as we consider by a different method of WD Gann. That is one of the trading techniques that WD Gann did use. We expect the market to move below before we can see a major downside movement in coming days. And if you check down, yes, this was there on 1st of December, and 1st of December again across from that part, we are expecting that the market should be coming down to a precise level, and this was to be an exact 50% reversal level which is there, right? So how did we come across to that level? Again, as we talked about over here, as we have shown to you in the video also, yes, that from the high, to this low, we again expected a level of 0.5%. So let me draw the same chart over here. So if I consider maybe a high 18,888 maybe to a low at probably this level. Yes, this is the exact 50% level which we did talk about, 17,817. And not in this group, probably in the other group we did mention about this levels, that it should be coming exactly to the parts. And also in two group, 17,817. So this was the levels that we had mentioned. So this was 17,817 level, and this was been mentioned earlier, probably that is there on 23rd of December, that we are expecting this level is the 50% level that we are really expecting across. So from the top, yes, probably it did come down to those levels. And yes, as we updated, yes, we probably sold around all the quantities that we had on the put side, and probably we were just ready from our side for the weekend altogether. The most important thing is what are the levels and how are these levels been given across? Is this been given in the book? Yes, definitely this is been given in the book. So we will probably talk about this in the coming video, giving you about details exactly. Yes, this is there into the WD Gann commodity course which has been given, and this is talking specifically about the 50% retracement levels. And how is the 50% retracement level? Definitely this has been given in the book, so we'll talk about that in detail, so that at that time you'll be able to talk about the charts and how this 50% retracement levels did come down to, how they will be formed, how did we analyze that, okay, this is the level from where the market should be reversing and going on the top side. So this all details would be explained by us in the coming video. Our humble request is please do stay with us for the next video, so that we'll be able to explain all the things in detail to you one by one. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.